Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm out here in Plano today, and I just gave a tour of this beautiful home. That's going for rent 2,200, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna switch this camera around so y'all can see. Right now, I'm in the backyard because I was locking it all up and everything like that. It has a jacuzzi. Got a little garden area over there. It's a pretty nice sized backyard back here. The tree for shade. Look what they got going on up here, man. This is a gorgeous home. So it's going for 2,200. Locking everything up as I go. So this would be the living/family area. We're kind of looking at this thing backwards. Kitchen. This is a cool, I believe this is a granite counter. Has a light, bright color to it. This would be the dining area. And there's an office. Office has a closet. And a ceiling fan. Then we have a bedroom. And this bedroom has a closet also. Another bedroom with another decent sized closet. Some pretty good sized closets for these bedrooms. You got a bathroom. And this would be the primary room. Spacious bathroom, man. Look at that big tub. That tub is huge. Stand-up shower, detached shower. Nice size closet. Yeah, this is a really good size closet in here. And you have your toilet room. It always even has the attachment that makes cleaning the toilet really easy. So, if you want to get a home like this, the process is really simple. You can just reach out to me. That's at mario.callitclosed.com. Or you can shoot me a text, give me a call, 214-554-7743. Like I said, the process is really simple. You just need to make an income of 3 times the rent. Rent here is $2,200. So you need to make at least $6,600 a month before taxes. That's gross. It's the laundry room. And then a garage. 2-car garage. Let's get these lights off. Yeah, you just need to make 3 times the rent. That's gross before taxes, which would be $6,600 for this in particular home. Or for any other home, it's typically 3 times the rent of whatever that monthly rent price is. If the rent price is $1,500, then you need to make at least $4,500 a month on that rent. So, yeah, just 3 times. Decent credit score. It don't have to be perfect credit, but just a decent score. I would say most homeowners that are renting these homes, they look for a score anywhere from like 600 to 620 to qualify to get you in. And then you just need decent rental history. No evictions, no broken leases. If you do have any of those, just make sure that the debt is paid off. And you need to have 3 of your most recent pay stubs or 2 of your most recent bank statements. And that's typically all you really need to get in a rental home like this. So yeah, if y'all want to make that next step and you're tired of renting at an apartment, you're ready to move into a rental home, just reach out and I'll be more than happy to assist you with that process. It can be really simple and quick. I've seen people get into these homes. I see the application be submitted and processed and somebody move in as early as the next day. Process typically takes up to 3 business days, but case by case situations. Sometimes it moves a little faster, sometimes it moves a little slower. So yeah. I put the key back. I forgot the code. But I'm gonna have to hop off of this live really quick, so I can get these keys back out so I can lock this place up. But yeah, if y'all looking to move, I'm your guy. I'm here to help. I can make the process really quick, simple, and easy. If you're looking to rent a house, buy a house, that's 214-554-7743. Name is Mario Cottman. Website is mario.callitclosed.com. Information to be in the bottom. So I look forward to talking to y'all soon.